Every year ends with some unfulfilled desires, some not so great experiences, some unfulfilled dreams, some guilt, some regrets, some disappointments. And if we carry them in the next year, we carry them with us as not so good experiences, and that's what we recreate. So this year, 2022, are you ready to say bye bye to the lack?
Bye bye, scarcity.
Bye bye, blame.
Bye bye to complaints.
Bye bye to grudge.
Bye bye to guilt.
Bye bye to 2022.
And are you ready to welcome abundance?
Hello to compassion.
And hello to joy.
Hello to love.
Hello to abundance.
2023, a year of Tathastu for us. Let life happen to you. Let everything happen to you. Let's welcome by saying Tathastu, by being a big yes to life. Are you ready for that?
I am ready to be a gateway to 2023.
Hello 2023, I welcome you in my life with open arms.
Hello 2023. I'm ready to be a gateway to life. I am ready to be a gateway to life.
I'm ready to be a gateway to life.
Let life happen to you. Let abundance happen to you. Wishing you a very happy new year 2023.